Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're taking a look at the Hang Seng Index as well as Alibaba. So without further ado, let's first take a look at the Hang Seng Index. So as you can see, the Hang Seng Index seems to be trending back up, and as you can see, we have broken up above the cloud resistance for the first time after quite a while. So you can see back then we actually tested this cloud resistance, and we are being rejected off second time, rejected off once again, and the third time we managed to go back above this cloud resistance. So that is a good sign for now. So from a low of around 18K to a high of 22.7K, the 8.2% was closed last Friday or yesterday itself at around 19.8K. So the next resistance to watch would be the 20.3K and also 20.9K. Thereafter will be 21.7K. As for the two supports to watch out for, we'll be looking at these critical support levels. So what you want to see is this on the way down, the cloud would act as a support, just like how the cloud acted as a resistance on the way up. And the two support to watch out will be this blue conversion line at around 19.2K. And the next one would be the red baseline at 19.1K. If these two supports can hold, then that would be a good sign for the Hang Seng Index. So let's take a look at the Hang Seng Tech. So a pretty similar situation. You can see that once we have broken out of this cloud resistance, we came back down to test it. It acted as a strong support. Thereafter, we continue to trend back up. So looking at the resistance on the way up from a low of around 35.63 to high of 48.25, we have surpassed the 61.8% at 43.43. So that is a good sign for now. In the event that we pull back, what we want to see is this previous resistance turning into support. If we can turn that into support, then we may potentially continue to climb higher. As for the next resistance, it will be 4.555 and thereafter 48.25, which was this recent high here back in earlier this year at around January and February. So for the two support to watch out, it will be this blue conversion line. Currently, it's sitting at 4.235 and this red baseline at 4.164. So let's hop on to Alibaba, the one listed in New York. So as you can see, of no surprise, Alibaba is also trending up. So from a low of $77, the recent high was 105. So this would likely to be our next target for us to hit. So in the event that we can clear this target, then potentially we may see more upside for Alibaba, potentially testing 111 levels, and even the recent high of 121.30. That's it. The two critical supports to hold is around 95.60, and the second support is around $92. So let's take a look at the 9988, the one listed in Hong Kong. So a pretty similar situation. You can see that we are currently at this 23.6%, 95.70. The next resistance will be a 101.8 or around 102 levels, which was also this recent high here. In the event that we can cross this resistance, then the next resistance to watch out for will be 109 and 118 levels. As for the two supports, we are watching 92 and around $88, $89 at this cloud support level here. So as for now, we're looking pretty good for the Chinese tech. So hopefully buyers do continue to support the counters next week and the upcoming weeks ahead. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by. Till we meet again. Appreciate the manipulation.